So this is Clint trying to fix his fucked bumper.
Yeah.
Is there a camera?
Pretty much, we just need to bend the steel.
Do what you were doing before with your foot. That was funny.
So, by wedging it into other structural points of the car, and then using one's foot, like so, leaning next to, say, a house strut, and then applying force.
Oh, and by the way, the car's on stands.
Yeah, we're on standstill, so we're good. We're good here. Just
Dude, this is like this is exactly how the guys do it in the shop.
how do they do this in a paddle shop?
More squats.
So, you have to be able to squat at least 150 to work at this paddle beating shop.
Oh, better that than the
Alright,
stands.
so it hasn't moved at all. Still sturdy.
Depressing. It's doing its job, I guess.
Suggestions? What are we feeling? What do you reckon?
Getting a welding torch and heating it up so we can bend it.
And maybe just a hair dryer?
No, it wouldn't be enough heat for steel.
It's Mitsubishi, it's probably just hardened plastic.
We might light the styrofoam and then get high. I mean, get poisoned and die from inhaling styrofoam. You just look at that going, how can I like, what can I wrap this with?
That's exactly what
Smack the shit out of my bumper. Let's go to the bin. That's not gonna.
It's already fine.
That's not the padding, dude.
It's already fine.
Alrighty. No, I'd hit it like.
Up here?
You hit it like at least there, if anything. I don't know. That doesn't sound good, hey?
No, it's supposed to sound like that. Do you reckon we'll have more luck if we undid this piece and bent them individually? What do you reckon? In his business attire, Mitch trying. Use the pole. The pole's really good. Yeah.
There's the pole.
Oh shit. Oh, fuck, it felt good. It looked good, but it's still exactly where it was. How's it moved a bit?
How's this thing?